20 lines essay on my bicycle in English. My uncle bought me my first bicycle on my birthday this year. It was a surprise gift and I liked it. My cycle is blue and pink in color. It has two pedals and a yellow bell. My bicycle also has a carrier. I ride my bicycle every day in the morning. I always drive my bicycle on an empty road. Empty means khali. My friends also ask me for a ride on it. Sometimes my little brother Pankaj sits on the carrier. Cycling is a good exercise for the body. It makes my muscles strong. My bicycle is very beautiful to look at. देखने में बहुत सुंदर है. I take great care of my bicycle and clean it twice a week. हफ्ते में 2 बार साफ करता हूँ. At this time, my bicycle is in good condition. इस टाइम मेरी बाइसिकल अच्छी हालत में है. If I found any of my bicycle nut or bolt loose, I immediately go to bicycle mechanic shop and have them repaired. Immediately foreign. I always make sure that my bicycle brake system is properly working or not before I go to ride on it. I think every driver should take care of everything before riding on any vehicle. I love my bicycle very much. I always thanked my uncle for this adorable gift. Adorable, Kable Tarif. It is really a wonderful gift for me. I will never forget this wonderful gift which I got from my uncle. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.